Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Apple Airpods Pro. So I am going to show you how to factory reset these AirPods. So simple step is we have to open the lid here. Then there will be a button here. You can see there is a button here. We have to hold it for 13 seconds. Then the AirPods will go back to factory default. So I am going to show you now. Just opening the case here and pressing the button for 13 seconds. Now this will turn to white light, then after 13 seconds again amber light will come here. So let's watch this. So clicking now, so we have to wait for 13 seconds exactly. So you can see after 13 seconds the light will turn to amber. You can see now amber light has come. So that's it. This is the factory reset of this Apple AirPods Pro. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.